Meaning of dispassionately.
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 Dispassionately. The term dispassionately refers to the act of looking at something, whether it is an idea, a situation, or an argument, without being influenced by personal emotions or biases. It is a state of being objective and impartial when analyzing information. By examining things dispassionately, one can weigh the merits and drawbacks of different perspectives, ideas or arguments without letting their personal feelings get in the way. This allows for clearer thinking, more insightful decision-making, and ultimately, more rational and effective problem-solving outcomes.